Hello and welcome back to freeCodeCamp's Applied Visual Design section. This is lock an element to the browser window with fixed positioning. It says the next layout scheme that CSS offers is the fixed position, which is a type of absolute positioning that locks an element relative to the browser window. Similar to absolute positioning, it's used with the CSS offset properties and also removes the element from the normal flow of the document. Other items no longer realize where it is positioned, which may require some layout adjustments elsewhere. One key difference from the absolute position is that the element won't move when the user scrolls. The navigation bar in the code is labeled with an ID of navbar. Change its position to fixed and offset it 0 pixels from the top and 0 pixels from the left. Notice the lack of impact to the H1 position. It hasn't been pushed down to accommodate the navigation bar and would need to be adjusted separately. So let's see what they're talking about here. We're going to go into our code here. Navbar, position, fixed. We see how that moved there. We're doing top, 0 pixels, left, 0 pixels. So like it said there, we would later have to accommodate this here, this welcome, and move it down, because otherwise it has no idea that this element is in the way, our nav bar. But that should satisfy this. Let us run it, and we did pass. So more values we can use for the position property. This time we learned about fixed, which similar to absolute, except like it says here, the difference from the absolute position is that the element won't move when the user scrolls. As long as you're understanding that, we're getting these, and I'll catch you on the next one. See you then.